How to download F1 24 on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download F1 24 on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So simply search for F1 24 on your Google browser, and after you search for it, you will see EA Sports website. You can head over there, or you'll also see the Steam version as well. So since the website is not working, I'll just head over to Steam. So you can open up Steam website, or you can simply open up Steam and search for F1 24. So there it is. So just choose one, and after you find one, simply scroll down and there you will see add to cart option. Tap on add to cart. You can even download the Champion Edition. Tap on view my cart after you add it to your cart, and tap on continue to payment. After you tap on continue to payment, you will have to go to the payment method to finally download the game. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and happy gaming.